Do you know that as an African business, those items you sell locally can be exported so you can earn in dollars? And again, I'm talking about thousands of everyday items around you. You see, companies who know what they are doing are earning $5, $10, $20,000 or more, exporting and selling everyday items abroad. I know many of you have tried many times and failed to find buyers abroad, or you've had issues with getting the right licenses. Some of you have even had your items seized as you did not know the right documentations needed to export abroad. We here at African Import-Export Solutions provide practical-based training that will enable businesses to first identify the most profitable product for export, as well as helping them find buyers in the USA and beyond who will pay in dollars. This training will show you, one, how to increase your export revenue by showing you the right items to export that are in high demand abroad and very profitable. We'll also show you the things to avoid, especially when you are just starting an export business, so you never have issues with customs abroad. You will also learn for free the practical step-by-step process you need to follow to have your products exported. We will show you the right export documentation as well as the licenses you may need to get started. I used to offer these online for over $399, and for the next 30 days, click the link below and get this training absolutely free. I know that growing your export business is not just about training. Most importantly, you need practical solutions, and that is some of the things we'll be giving you. We'll give you the opportunity to use and store your products in our US warehouse absolutely free for 45 days. This will allow you to save thousands by shipping at a highly discounted rate in bulk, and then we will help you to dispatch it fast to your customers, saving you money and giving your customers consistent delivery in under 2 days. Now, the comprehensive practical training on how to find buyers abroad is also included for free. You see, this is what some people have used to make over $60,000 every month. I will also include you in my step-by-step export masterclass on export documentation. I will also include how to set up your Amazon account so you can have your products selling on the world's biggest e-commerce platform. Selling on Amazon is a game changer for any African SMEs, and it's about time you started absolutely for free. You also have the opportunity to join my monthly export mentorship sessions, where I will answer questions you may have on how to grow your export business. Click the link below to get started with export, as we here at African Import-Export Solution want to see your business grow. Together, we know we can increase the wealth of Africa.